The original owners of the mid-century cottage that formed the base of this transformation would not recognise her. The new owners have used that hardwood frame and created a family home that is sure to impress. I hope you like 23 Brooke Avenue, Southport as much as we do. The façade is head-turning, with clever use of colour and large bay windows accentuating the classic feel of the home. 3-metre high ceilings enhance the feeling of space that this stately home exudes, and the northeast aspect floods both levels with natural light and sea breezes. Only the very best of fixtures and fittings have been used in this transformation. The owner's eye for detail is everywhere you look. The kitchen is a showstopper with everything the budding chef desires. Butler's pantry, freestanding 90cm multi-fuel range, huge island bench with 40mm stone benchtop, casual seating and acres of workspace. You are spoilt for choice when it comes to living spaces. The flexible floor plan provides a choice of outdoor and indoor entertaining options, providing the whole family space and privacy when required. Brooke Avenue offers a discerning buyer a beautiful family home in an iconic location.